You gave me my hands to reach out to man, to show him your love and your perfect plan. You gave me my ears so I can hear your voice so clear. You scare your cries of sinners, but cannot wipe away their tears. You gave me my voice to speak your word, to sing all your praises to those who never heard. But with my eyes I see a need for more ability. I've seen the hearts that have been broken, so many people to be free. Lord, I'm available to you. My will I give to you. I'll do what you say to use me, Lord, to show someone the way and enable me to say, my storage is empty and I am available to you. I'm giving back to you all the tools you give to me. My hands, my ears, my voice, my eyes, so you can use them as you please. But I haven't a cup, so you can fill me up. Now I am free, I just want to be more available to you. Lord, I'm available to you. And my will I give to you. I'll do what you say to
Ini